So how is that for a weird combo? A budget PCP, the Zeon Pop by Effecto Airguns, and a high-end scope made by Schmidt & Bender for the Scandinavian arms. I saw just a couple of skyrods at my permission that day, so I thought I should waste no time and start targeting them. That one is at 38 yards. Wind is from the left. Maybe I should hold a little. The first one got away with pooping on the grain bin, but only for a short while. A minute later he went inside one of the loading bays, and that was the last mistake he ever made. That's 57 yards. I'm outdoors, they're indoors, hence the glare, hence the poor image quality. Holding over a little bit. And the tubby is properly fed again. One is never enough, is it? Okay, let's try to get you some more. "37 yards, holding under a little." Oh, even better. Good. But you, dear, are going to have to climb up there and get it. Well, one thing is certain, I'm not gonna climb up there and get it for her. Almost 2 hours later, I realized no other pest birds will venture at the grain silos complex, so I decided to punch some holes in paper. Okay. Target set. The target is behind me at 35 yards. Let's shoot some paper. One of my faithful feline retrievers came to investigate, obviously hoping to find something more than lead stuck in an improvised cellulose pellet trap. Well, unfortunately, my setup didn't see a lot of action today. That dog is working my nerves. Every time I start recording something, it starts barking. It's really kind of a weird combination. A budget PCP that's not gonna break the bank, and a scope that definitely might, but I'm telling you, if you are in competition shooting or in long-range shooting, this thing is worth it. Oh, let me take off my Orion cam. Another piece of gear which is really nice for us YouTubers and shooters. Credit to Orion the Iguana Hunter. Anyways, if you're interested in my gear, you'll find links in the video description below. I've also put links in one of the upper corners of the screen. The first one navigates to my review video of the Effecto Zeon right now. Yes, we have to wait a while, bear with me. That should be enough. And the second one, right now, navigate to my review video of the Scandinavian Arms Schmidt & Bender Everest scope. Thank you guys for watching and see you really soon. Stay tuned. Next time there will be more, as long as there are any sky rats at my permission.